Hey, welcome to the workshop. Just a real quick video for those of you that have bought this product right here, this little hose reel. I think it comes from Dollar General or one of those type of stores. We found ours at a flea market, so I'm not exactly sure what shop it comes from. Now, if you own this, you probably realize that it doesn't work as a hose reel, and this video is for you since I'm going to show you another use for it that's really easy to set up. Now, the reason this thing doesn't work as it's supposed to is, as you notice in this video here, every time that the outside nut turns, the inside will bend upward, in which case it'll bend the hose to where it just shuts off and doesn't let any water through, which pretty much makes this pointless piece of crap. First thing you want to do is take off that little plastic piece that's actually holding it all together. After you do that, I want to say go ahead, and I started unscrewing it because I thought it unscrewed. Then I figured out you can just kind of unscrew it, pull it at the same time, and it comes out pretty simple. Now after you got that piece out, turn it toward you and grab your favorite extension cord. Now the one thing that I did unfortunately figure out while I was making this video was that not all extension cords will actually fit in there. The one that I picked the first time, I must have gotten lucky and it did. It went right in, just like you see here on the screen. The one that I tried that I was gonna put on my second one, unfortunately the head's a little bit too big, so hopefully you have the extension cord that you want to use is the right size. So as you can see here, once you get it all wound up and everything, it works pretty well. One other little tip though I would say is to the side that you pull through, which is, I use the side that plugs into the wall. Leave you enough cord on that side to where you can set that on the ground and still plug that in. Well, hopefully this video helped you out. If so, I'm glad I could help.